I became a teacher because I wanted to have a connection to children and see them succeed through life. My high school English teacher, she teaches at Largo High right now actually. She was amazing. She was really there for you, and you could tell. Willing to work with you, willing to help you, whatever you needed, whether it was academic or something personal, she was there to help you, and I saw that and I wanted to be that for someone. She formed a relationship with not only me but all the students, so that I could see is probably the key thing to having a successful classroom. You need to have relationships with your students, because if you don't, then they don't trust you, and then there's no classroom community.